Hey guys, this is Sam from Instinct Learning, and today I want to present you our new masterclass. Our new masterclass is different from what we did before in terms of video lessons, because before that we only took certain little subjects like compression or other things and made small videos about that. The masterclass is completely different. It takes you from the beginning to the end. From the beginning of a track to the finished product with everything, recording, mixing, processing, mastering, everything until the finished product. And the first hours are already released. The cool thing is you do not only get the video lesson, you get the project data, you get all the presets in the project data, you get all the samples in the project data and all the recordings made here in the studio. That way you can really delve in deep into the settings and you can really, have a look at what exactly has been done. You don't need to worry about it while you are learning and watching the video. So there's a lot of information released on the website www.instinct-learning.com. You can head over there and just have a look at the project. You can read about it, you can read what is included, you can read what is out there. Episode 1 until 4 is already released, and the 5th episode will be released today. So let me know what you think about this new concept of video lessons. I think it's much better. I feel the quality of the lessons has improved with this new approach. So let me know what you think, and I hope to have you on board with that. Also, one thing, if you buy the episodes one by one, they're a little bit more pricier than if you buy, for example, 5 episodes. The first 5 episodes, you can buy them in bulk. This product will also be released today and will be a lot reduced in price. So it's also not very expensive and comes at a good price. Anyway, as I said, leave a comment down below where you can let me know what you think about this new masterclass. And leave a like, subscribe to the channel as always. See you guys in the next video. Boom.